guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 28 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now, without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 2285, maximum total importance of roads. Okay, so in this problem you are given an integer n denoting the number of cities in the country. Okay, and the cities are numbered from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so if there are total 5 cities, then the cities numbered are from 0 to 4. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 0 to n minus 1. Okay, these are the number of cities. The cities are numbered from 0 to n minus 1. And you are also given a 2D integer array roads where roads of I, A and B denotes that there exists a bidirectional road connecting cities A and B. Okay, so see, this is my roads array, and here 0 1 simply means that 0 is connected with this one road and 1 is connected with 0. Okay, this is a bidirectional road, right? So you need to assign each city with an integer value from 1 to n, where each value can only be used once. Okay, so 1 to n you have to use the values, and each value should be used only once. And the importance of a road is then defined as the sum of the values of the two cities if it connects. Okay, and we have to return the maximum total importance of all roads possible after assigning the values optimally. Okay, so definitely we are going to give the importance to that road which is connected to other cities for the most number of times, right? So here see, this 0 is connected with 1, right? So here see, the road 0 is connected with 1, right? So here I am just going to write the frequencies. Okay, 0 is connected with 1 road and 1 is also connected with 1 road. Okay, just I'm going to write the frequencies here. 1 is connected with 2, okay, and 1 is connected with 0 as well. Okay, so first just go over this 0 to 1. Okay, then this is new 1 to 2. Okay, so 1 is appearing 2 times, so here I am going to update the frequency of 1. Okay, so I'm going to write it like this: 1 is appearing 2 times and 2 is appearing for very first time, so here I'm writing it like this. Okay, then here see, 2 is connected with 3 and 3 is connected with 2. Okay, so here I'm going to update the frequency of 2. So now my 2 becomes this 2 and my 3 is going to become 1. Okay, then see here, 0 is connected with 2, 0 is connected with 2 and 2 is connected with 0. So here I have to change the frequency of 0. So now my 0 will become 2, right? And my 2 will become 3. Okay, so let me update it. So now my 2 is going to become 3. Okay, so see here, 1 is connected with 3 and 3 is connected with 1. Okay, so I have to update the frequency of 3 to 2 and I have to update the frequency of 1 to 3 as well. Okay, so let me update the frequencies. So now 1 is connected with this 3. Okay, now 2 to 4. Okay, so 2 is connected with 4 and 4 is connected with 2. So let's update the frequencies. Okay, so now I have to change the frequency of this 2 to 4 and I have to write the frequency of 4 to 1. Okay, so out of these roads, okay, this road is more important, right? This one is more important, right? Because this 2 is connected 4 times, na? This 2 is connected with 1. Okay, and this 2 is connected with 0, this 2 is connected with 3 and this 2 is connected with 4. Okay, 4 times. So I have to give the priority to this road. Okay, so that is why you see here I am writing 5 here, right? And then 1 is connected for 3 times, okay, with 3 different cities. Okay, so here see, 1 is connected with 0, 1 is connected with 2 and 1 is connected with 3. Okay, so that is why I have to give the 4 priority here. Okay, so 5 for this one, 4 for this one, and this 3 and 0, okay, both are connected for 2 times, right? So here just write 3 here and 2 here. Okay, and then this is disconnected, so here I'm just going to write 1. Okay, so this is how we are assigning these frequencies, right? So I hope that you guys are clear, right? And after assigning these frequencies, so we have to go over all the roads one by one. So 0 to 1, okay, 0 to 1. For 0 the value is 2 and for 1 value is 4. Okay, so 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 and 2. Okay, so road 1 2 has an importance of 1 value is 4 and 2 value is this 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, 2 3. Okay, this value now 2 3. Then we have to go to 0 2. Then we have to go to 1 3. Then we have to go to this 2 4. Okay, one by one. And every time I am checking the importance. Okay, for 2 3, 2 and 3. So 2 has importance 5, 3 has importance 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 2, 0 has importance 2 and 2 has importance 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 3, 1 has importance 4 and 3 has importance 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 4. 2 has importance 5 and 4 has importance 1, so 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, and in the end we have to just return the total importance of all the rows, and my output is 43. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the explanation. Okay, so first let's write whatever I have explained. Okay, so first I am going to solve this problem using approach 1, and approach 1 is going to be use my hash map. Okay, so I am going to write the same story. Okay, so first thing here, this is my code part, right? So here inside this, let's calculate the number of rows first. So int r is equal to rows dot length. Okay, then I have to calculate the frequencies, right? This 0 is connected 2 times, 1 is connected 3 times, 2 is connected 4 times. Okay, all that stuff. So here I'm going to run one loop. Okay, so for int I is equal to 0, I is less than r, I plus plus. Okay, so here let's create one hash map as well. Okay, so map integer and integer. Here let's name it as map. Okay, new hash map. This is done. Okay, so now here let's take two variables, int u and int v. Okay, so u is nothing but this value, this value, and v is nothing but this value. Okay, so here can I write to u like this, rows of I 0. Okay, this value is going to be my u, and my v value is going to be rows of I, and here I have to write 1. Okay, this is done. Then we have to calculate the frequencies of both this 0 and 1, right? And then 1 and 2, then this 2 and 3, and then we have to update everything inside my map. Okay, one by one. So here I am going to write map dot put. First let's take this u, map dot get or default this u. Okay, if it's not there, then you use this 0 as default and add 1 to it. Okay, and same way for v, map dot put v map dot get or default value. Okay, if v is there, then pick that value. If v is not there, then pick 0 and add 1 to that. Okay, so this is how I'm going to populate the values. Okay, so this is what I'm going to get after the end of this loop. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this. Okay, so now let's move further. Okay, so now we have to sort our map, right? So first this should come, then this should come based on their values, right? Based on their values. But since map doesn't give us this functionality, so we have to convert our map entries to list. Okay, first, so how we are going to convert our map entries to list? Okay, so I'm going to convert map entries to the list. Okay, so here write list, and here inside list type map dot entry, e capital entry, and here just pass these two values. Okay, integer and integer. Okay, and let's name it as list is equal to new array list, and here inside this just pass value map dot entry set. Okay, now this is done. We have converted our map entries to the list. Now after that we have to sort the list based on their values. Okay, we have to sort the list based on their values. Okay, so let's sort the list based on their values. So first this should come, right? So simple formula, list dot sort, and here inside this just pass two entries. Let's say there are two entries, one is entry 1 and one is entry 2. Okay, we are using lambda expression right here. So here if there are two entries, so just get the value of entry 2 first, entry 2 dot get value. Okay, and compare this value to compare to entry dot get value. Okay, entry 1 dot get value. Okay, I'm comparing my entry 2 to get value to entry 1 dot get value. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is done. Now this is going to sort my list in decreasing order. Okay, so first this city will come, Okay, first this value will come 2 4, then after this 2 4 this 1 3 will come. Okay, 1 3 will come, then after this 1 3 3 2 will come. Okay, then after this 0 2 will come. Okay, then after this 4 1 will come. Okay, so I have to sort my list in decreasing order. Okay, so now we have to just convert our sorted list back to the map now. Okay, so let's again write map integer and let's name it as sorted map new linked. We are creating a linked hash map, right? Linked hash map. We have to convert the sorted list back to the map, so linked hash map is to maintain the order. Okay, here, so that is why I'm using that. And then let's iterate over all the entries one by one. Map dot entry, e should be capital here. Okay, map dot entry integer entry. Okay, list. Then here in the sorted map, right, sorted map dot put, take the key entry dot get key, and first we have to assign value as n. Okay, so see here, this city is coming first, right? 2 4. Okay, so for 2 here, instead of this value I am just going to add 5. Here instead of this 3 I am going to add 4. Okay, so for 1 I am adding 4, right? For this 3 I am adding 3, so here I am going to update my 3 value. For 0 I am updating 2, so here I am going to update 2 here. 4 I am updating 1, so here I am going to update 1. Okay, so 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so from n I am starting now. Okay, so here I have to decrement my n every time. Okay, so here I'm assigning the importance, right? Then this, once this is done, okay, then take one variable long sum is equal to 0. Now we are done, almost done. Okay, now iterate over all the rows one by one. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than r, I plus plus, and here int u is equal to sorted map dot get, and here just get this value rows of I of 0. Okay, whatever the value of this one. Okay, this is done. And same way take my v as sorted map dot get rows of I of 1 here, and then just update my sum as sum plus u plus v. Okay, that's it. Now in the end just return sum. Okay, so simple. Okay, so here what I am doing in this part, I am iterating over all the rows 1 0 1. Okay, for 0 1 I am getting the value of this 2 for 0, and for this one I am getting the value of 4, and then just adding them to the sum. 2 plus 4 is 6, sum becomes 6. Okay, this is what I am doing here. So now let's run it and see if there are any code issues. So yes, there are some issues. Let's fix them. Okay, map dot put vmap dot get, or okay, so here O should be capital. Okay, and let's run this again. So all the test cases has been accepted, right? So now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So here my time complexity, let's see. So here I am iterating over all the rows one by one. Okay, so here I am taking O of r. Okay, this is done. Then I am creating one list. Okay, in the list I am converting my map entries to the list. Okay, so here also it is going to take O of n. Let's say we are sorting, so for sorting my time complexity is going to be O of n log n. Okay, then I am iterating over all the entries one by one. Okay, assigning the values. So here let's say O of n here. So overall I can say that my time complexity will be based on this sorting function. Okay, this okay, so my time complexity for this problem is going to be of n log n. Okay, so see, our time complexity is of n into log n. Okay, So I hope that you guys are clear with this approach 1. Okay, so now let's move to the approach 2. Okay, approach 2. In approach 2, code is going to be very small. Okay, in this we are writing the code for 36 line now. Okay, so now in my next approach I am not going to use hash map. Okay, instead I am going to just simply use one array. Okay, so here just tell me how many times this 0 is connected with the other roads. Okay, other cities, how many through animal roads. Okay, 0 is one time. Okay, 0 is two times. Okay, 0 is connected with this one and 0 is connected with 2. Okay, so here I am writing the frequency. Okay, 0 is 2 and 1 is 3. Okay, this is what we already know. 1 is 3 and 2 is 4, 3 is 2 and 4 is 1. Okay, this is what we already know. Okay, so now 4 is coming least number of times now. 4 is coming least number of times, so let's assign one number to this one. So, okay, so here I am assigning least importance to this one. Okay, so here I am adding 1. Okay, and here for this let's say I am adding 2. For this I am adding 3. For this I am adding 4. Okay, importance. And for this I am adding more importance, 5. Okay, this is done. So here this is how we are doing the calculation, right? 2 plus 4 6, right? 4 plus 5 9. Okay, all that stuff. Okay, so see here, let me copy this diagram again. So see here, we know that this road is having least importance and this road is having the highest importance, right? So here can I write it like this, 1 into 1. See this is 4 is connected with only one road now. Okay, with only this 2 only, right? So here can I write it 1 into 1, and can I write this 2 as 2 into 2. Okay, second number. And can I write this one as 2 into 3. Okay, and can I write this as 4 into 5. First let's write this. Can I write this as 3 into 4, and can I write this as 4 into 5. Okay, so here my output is going to be 4, here my output is going to 12, here my output is going to be 20, here my output is going to be 6, and here my output is going to be 1. Okay, so 20 plus 6 26, 27, 27 plus 4 31, 31 plus 12 is nothing but 43. Okay, so I am getting the same output, but why I am writing it like this? Okay, so see here, this road is having least importance. Okay, this road is having least importance, right? 1, only 1. Okay, so that is why I am multiplying it with 1. Okay, so see here, this is the addition I am performing now. So here how many times 1 is appearing? Just focus on this part. How many times 1 is appearing? 1 is appearing one time. Okay, 1 into 1. Okay, and how many times here 2 is appearing? 2 1 2 2 times. Okay, 2 into 2. How many times 3 is appearing here? 3 3 2 times. Okay, so here I am writing 3 into 2. Okay, and how many times my 4 is appearing? 1 2 3. Okay, 4 into 3. How many times my 5 is appearing? 1 2 3 4. 5 is appearing 4 times. Okay, so that's what I am doing, right? So instead of doing this, okay, instead of doing this 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1, I am directly multiplying the rows with higher importance. Okay, okay, so since 5 is appearing for the majority times, okay, okay, this road 2 is connected with 4 roads. Okay, 4 roads, that simply means I have to give the importance as 5 to this one, and 5 is 4 times, so that is why I am writing 4 into 5. Okay, then after that 4. Okay, 4 3 times. Okay, why 4 3 times? Because this road 1 is connected 3 times. Okay, 1 is connected 3 times, so this road is getting the importance as 4. Okay, this is going to get the max priority, then this is going to get the second max priority, right? So this is how I am doing, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with this explanation for approach 2. Now I'm going to write the code for this one. So code is going to be very simple. Okay, so degree new int, this is done. Then we have to count the number of rows connected to each node. Okay, so let's use for each loop, for int, okay, one by one. So here let's update my degree accordingly. Degree of row of 0, okay, plus plus, and here degree of row of 1 plus plus. Okay, this is done. Then we have to just sort the degrees. So arrays dot sort the degrees. So see here, first this will come, right? First this will come, then this will come, then this will come, then this will come, then this will come. Okay, then after that I have to assign the priority, right? 5 for this one, for this one, 3 for this one, and 2 for this one, and 1 for this one. Then simply say that my 5 is appearing 4 times, my 4 is appearing 3 times. Okay, here see here, 3 is appearing 2 times, 2 is appearing 2 times, and 1 is appearing 1 time. Okay, so instead of doing all this, I am simply doing the multiplication now. 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 4 into 3, 5 into 4. That's it, right? So here I have sorted my degrees array. Then we have to calculate the maximum importance. So here take a long sum is equal to 0. Code is going to be very small. Okay, just 2-3 lines left now. Then just iterate over all the values one by one. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and sum is going to be sum plus. Okay, convert the value to long only. Here what is the degree of I value? Okay, since we have sorted now, so degree of I, and here into I plus 1. Okay, and in the end just return sum. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, and this time runtime is just 6 milliseconds, right? So here also my time complexity, see here, first I am iterating over all the rows one by one. So here let's take O of R, and here I am sorting, so n log n for this one, and again I am iterating over all the values for n times, so O of n. So overall you can say that O of R plus O of n log n plus O of n. So overall you can say that it is going to be O of n log n. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.